pretty cool. I'm pretty much planning to do one stream a day, and I'll hopefully get more than one of these videos done in every stream, so yeah, let's just start it. By the way, this is Brackies. This is the current sort of thing I'm using, but I will also be using W3 Schools for part of this. W3 Schools is a great way to learn code.
What's the best movie trilogy of all time? We could then collect some input from the player and check if it corresponds to the correct answer. If it does, and the user typed in Lord of the Rings, we can print out correct. If it doesn't, and the user typed in, well, anything else, we can print out incorrect and send them directly to the fiery depths of Mordor. So, if statements is one of the most essential tools for any programmer. But before we get into it, this video is sponsored by Dennis Penjuda. Dennis is an awesome game dev tutor who's just updated his super successful complete C# masterclass. This class will make you super comfortable writing code in C# and using it for programming your own games in Unity. It will give you knowledge on many different aspects of C# and teach topics such as databases, knowledge on many different code in C# as full complete C# masterclass. This in Unity, link in WPF and much more. At the end of the course, you will even have made 3 games on your own. If this sounds like something you're interested in, simply click the link in the description to get started and get a massive discount. Now, when we want to write an if statement, the syntax is actually quite simple. We write if, then some parentheses, and then we open and close some curly brackets. Inside the parentheses, we put our condition. In other words, what we want to check for. In the case of our quiz game, we probably have some kind of player answer variable that holds whatever the player typed in. We can check if this is equal to Lord of the Rings. If it is, our condition is met, and everything inside of the curly brackets will be executed. So in this case, we would print out correct. Of course, we often want to define what happens if the condition isn't met. If this is the case, we use an if-else statement. This is as simple as writing else at the bottom, followed by 2 curly brackets, where we can put what we want to happen if the condition isn't met. In this case, we would print out incorrect. Take them twice apart. Mordor! Now, we can use different symbols to create conditions. The double equals means is equal to, and an exclamation sign and an equal sign means is not equal to. If you're dealing with numbers, the greater than or less than signs can be used to check if a number is greater than or less than the other number. And if we put an equal sign after that, it means greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Of course, I don't expect you to remember this right away, so here's a table that you can look at if in doubt. And with that, let's write some code. So let's say that you're going to the cinema to watch a movie and you want to buy a ticket. Well, using if statements, we can create a program that allows you to do this. So let's first of all use console.writeLine to just print out something like welcome. Tickets are $5. Please insert cash. Then we can have the user insert some cash. In our case, let's store this in an integer. So we'll create an integer called cash and set it equal to console.readLine. And remember, like we talked about in our last video on variables, we first have to convert this to an integer. So we'll use convert.toInt32 and wrap the parentheses around the read line. There we go. So we've now asked the...
Okay, why don't I do this? Okay. So what we're trying to do is, I'll just do can of soup or best soup. And then what do you want? So for me, it's string is soup equal to Yeah, console. Dot read line. Now if soup let's just say do chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Then we need curly brackets. Console yay. Else what now? Else there's no way, dude. Okay, what is this guy doing?
User to input some cash, and the user can then type in a number if statement to do something based on how much they, and then we write the condition. In our case, we get this $5. Well, in this case, the user hasn't put in enough money. So we can go ahead and open and close some curly brackets. And I'm just going to put them down here on a separate line, so it's very clear that inside of these curly brackets is what is going to happen if this condition is true. And we can just put something in here like console.writeLine. That's not enough money. There we go. So if the user inputs less than $5, we're going to print out that that's not enough. And right away, if we run this program, we can see it says, welcome, tickets are $5, please insert cash. I'm going to type in 3 here, and it says that's not enough money. Awesome. But we of course also want to write what happens when the user inputs enough. For that, we can use an if-else. So right now we're saying if we input less than $5, do this. Then after that, we can write else. So in all other cases, and again, I'm going to put this on a separate line just to make it easier to read. So if the user inputs $5.
No, stop it. Stop! Oh my god, it does this every single time! What? So, else? Maybe it's if else?
$5 or more, then we can write, here is
Yeah.
your ticket.
try again. How come? Okay.
And print out a ticket.
Okay. I've done nothing else. Oh. Else cannot start a statement. Maybe it's if else. Huh? Okay, so where are all of our errors? Okay. What's the problem here? Okay, got it. A hyphen. Okay, got it. Another 10. Oh my god. If else can't start a statement, then... look, I wanna. Is this expected? No. Start a statement. Okay, then what can't? Bruh. Oh, that's right. Wait, where is that supposed to be again? Okay, it's 2 int 32. Stat 2 string okay. 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 Okay, fine. Oh, there's no errors anymore. Oh, nice. Best soup. Chicken noodle soup. Yay. But it isn't called monkey anymore. No. Wait, is it the other one that's called monkey? I think so, probably. Console dot name console dot console name What? I can do whatever I want. Wait, let me try it one more time. Yeah, it just keeps on doing that. No, not extended list servants. Else. Okay. Okay, what the hell? There isn't even anything on else. I can add one of these. Okay, okay. Add one of these. Add one of these. That's the first one I clicked on, and it doesn't even have else. Yeah, this entire page doesn't even say else anywhere. It doesn't fix anything. Oh my god. See, but the problem is that if I don't have an else, then it just always says yay. Oh, I bet I can do if soup equal is not equal to what is it again? Oh, wrong way. Okay, I think I have, okay, so I have one error. Best soup, noodle, soup, yay, wrong. What? If it's equal to noodle soup, it does that. If it's not equal to noodle soup, it says that. I don't understand. What? What? Because I can't get an else. Do I? No. How do I type else? in C#, what is this called? Visual something or another. Microsoft Visual Studio. Visual Studio. Okay. I'm just gonna hope it's the same. This doesn't help at all. Statement. Yeah, this guy is just doing the exact same thing. This is no different. No, it wasn't. Absolutely not. This guy didn't help whatsoever, and I'm gonna downvote it. Oh, I don't have a core account. Oh, if only. But if I get rid of it, it's an error, right? No. Wait, it isn't. What? Is not equal. I'm so confused. So they ask you to type in what soup is. Soup is equal to whatever I type in. If soup is equal to this, if soup is noodle soup, then it'll tell me yay. But if soup is not noodle soup, then it'll tell me wrong. I don't understand what the problem is here. A soup. Yay, wrong. It just does both of them. But this is different. Okay, let's just watch this video.
For them. And again, if we run this program now and we type in $5, it says, here's your ticket. Awesome. But if the user inputs more than $5, we want to give them their ticket as well as some change. So we actually need to add a separate condition for this. And we can do this using an else if. So if the user inputs less than $5...
Okay. Let me just try this. Maybe this is a problem. Console right line. Money. Oh, no. Money. Please. Cash is equal to the read line. Dude, stop. Why isn't it normal anymore? Why do I have such a... Why? What the hell? What is going on? No! Dude. Okay, console aren't line. But why is it like this? Okay, but I'm actually gonna save. And then I'm gonna reopen it, cause oh my god, Roblox player. Go to his project story thingy. Okay. Okay, that's gone. Cool. Convert dot to okay,
This we write out.
if well, let's do $10 because I don't want to feel like I'm copying. Cash is less than oh my god, $10. Then we're gonna just do like console dot. Dude, are you kidding? Right line. What do you mean expected? Okay. Wait a minute. Get high, live $10 in. Business, I'm up. Big step up. Underground methods. Top not big. Tomorrow, let's console right line. More, please. What do you mean that was expected? More please. Yay, 0 errors. So now, I should be able to type in else, but I can't. Else doesn't work for me. Is it capitalized? Maybe. Else. I don't know.